Hello everyone, myself Kanchan Sinha from Sri Shankaracharya Mahavidyalaya, Junwani Bhilai. Today I am going to explain about nature and scope of biological science. Before knowing about biological science and their nature, we must know what is science. It is a way to explore nature as a subject to understand the secret of the universe as a long list of facts to be memorized. What makes something science? There are four factors that make something science. Number one is falsifiability, second is repeatable, third evidence based, and fourth applies everywhere. Falsifiability, that is, science can be proven wrong. Repeatable means if you can do it again, you never did it in the first place. Evidence based, having a string theory, and it can be applied everywhere. Biology. Biology is the science of life. It is the study of the structure, function, and relationship of living things or organism, as you can see in the lower region of this slide. Fields of biology. It is of two major divisions, botany and zoology. Botany, study of flora, and zoology, study of fauna. The study of biology is important because it helps us to understand the hows and whys of living system. Living things exhibit unique characteristics and make them different from non-living things. Modern biology is the study of organized knowledge contributed by many biologists from different generations. Now, brief history of biology. Humans began studying biology in their desire to triumph over creation. Initially based on superstitions, Hippocrates wrote a book of diseases. Aristotle listed 500 species of animals. Theophrastus founded botany and 500 species of plants. Galen, last real biologist of the ancient world. Andreas Vesalius inaugurated the modern era of Western medicine. Leonardo da Vinci, an artist studying physiology and anatomical details. Anton van Leeuwenhoek initiated microscopy. Charles Darwin on the origin of species. Importance of biology. The importance of biology are: discover the relationship among humans, animals and plants, learn to value life, learn about sustainable development, learn about the need to conserve, enables us to realize economic importance, enhances our interest and appreciation. This slide shows the different importance of biology as earlier discussed in the slide: the relationship of human, animal, plants, the conservation, the value of life, the economic importance, sustainable development, and interest and appreciation. Branches of biology. It is mainly divided into two branches. One is pure biology, second is applied biology. In pure biology included taxonomy, morphology, physiology, embryology, genetics, ecology, paleontology, microbiology. Taxonomy means identification, naming and classification of plant and animal. Morphology is the structure and form. The physiology is the study of function and bodily process. Embryology is the study of early development of the fetus. Genetics is the study of heredity and variation. Ecology studies the relationship to environment. Paleontology is the study of fossils, and microbiology is the study of microscopic organisms. In applied biology included agriculture, bioculture, ethology. Agriculture, food production; bioculture, culturing the in vitro; and ethology, animal behavior. The nature of biological science. The biological science is a process of finding facts, laws, principles, and concepts. Biological science is the quest for knowledge, not the knowledge itself. The nature of biological science is to investigate through experiences and then to logically explain the data gained through these experiences. Three different facets of biological science are: it can be described as a process, that is inquiry, a set of ideas, that is a body of knowledge, content, and a set of attitude, that is context. Science, the process or inquiry, list as many scientific processes as we can. Process of the science. It is through the process of science that knowledge is gained. Scientists collect information by using process skill, by observing, classifying, measuring, relationship, predicting, formulating, hypothesis formation. Some examples of scientific processes are problem solving and applying, controlling variables, operationally defining, observing and recording, using equations and maths, interpreting data, processes, classifying, experimenting, modeling, measuring, communicating, and predicting. A body of knowledge, that is content. Knowledge is the background information that we use as the basis for further exploration and experimentation, and it is the foundation on which new technologies and practical solutions are built. Content can be subdivided among the classic branches of science: biology, chemistry, physics, and earth space sciences. Science as attitude or context includes a set of attitude that encourages people to engage in scientific study. Attitude: open-mindedness, willingness, collaborate, wonder. Scientific attitude is a curiosity to explore their environment and question what they find. Keenness to identify and answer questions through carrying out investigations. Creating in suggesting novel and relevant ways to solve problems. Open-mindedness to accept all knowledge as tentative and to change their view if the evidence is convincing. Perseverance in pursuing a problem until a satisfying solution is found. Concern for living things and awareness of the responsibility they have for the quality of the environment. The three facets of science are interrelated. The three facets of science are interrelated. Inquiry begins with an understanding of current content knowledge. Inquiry produces new content understanding. Context sets the goals and rationale for inquiry. Content knowledge is used in new technologies that affect the societal context. Content knowledge influences policy making. Scope of biologies are: structural biology. It is the study of molecular structure of biological macromolecules, especially protein and nucleic acid, how they acquire the structure they have, and how alteration in their structure affect their function. Structural biology may include molecular biology, cell biology, anatomy, genetics, and developmental biology. Second is physiological. Physiology studies the mechanical, physical, and biochemical process of living organism by attempting to understand how all of the structure function as a whole. Physiology may be plant physiology and animal physiology. Evolutionary. It is concerned with the origin and descent of species as well as their change over time, and includes scientists from many taxonomically oriented disciplines. It has three uh, parts, that is phytogenetics, systematics, and taxonomy. Next is ecological and environmental. Ecology studies the distribution and abundance of living organisms and the interaction between organisms and their structure. These are the reference from which this slide is prepared. Thank you very much.